We are off to Joshua Tree to go camping. We were supposed to leave at 6 a.m. It's probably about 11. Maximus is not going. He is staying home because he has homework. And we have everything packed, so we are ready to go. Is fairly empty. Shed a tear for its raw beauty.
We have arrived at the ticket station of Jumbo Rock. Okay, I don't remember done this before, obviously. Ah, I found the envelopes!
Here at Jumbo Rocks, which is definitely the bigger of the campsites. It comes with a cute Asian girl, which is always a perk. Some shrubs, maybe some little gerbils. Heading to Barker Dam, which is a 1 mile loop, and we hear there's water at the end, so that might be fun. Ah! Stop, I'm allergic to water!
What's that GoPro for?
Look at this view.
Parking, just let me park there. Plan in my head.
This is round 2, trying to find the actual hallway.
Hall
Hall
of horror.
here at the Hallway of Horrors.
No, it's
Hall
not
of
hallway.
Horrors. And we're trying to find the hallway. This is the reason why nobody can find it, is because names are too repetitive. So we're gonna find it. We're gonna have to scramble a little bit. Right up there. Right up there somewhere. Oh, not this way. Maybe that just didn't go further enough.
How are you gonna sit through that is what I want to know. Actually, stay there. I want to get a picture of you. That was funny.
Wow, this is so cool. Hallways and a little cave. We have not found the cream of the crop. We have not found the gem. Whew. Oh no.